Bakit kailangan mo ng visa bundle when you want to travel to Pakistan? There are so many reasons kung bakit nade-deny yung visa application mo going to Pakistan. Okay, you have a boyfriend, he is a Pakistani. Obviously, for Filipinos, you need a Pakistan visa to travel to Pakistan. Fortunately, there is a visa upon arrival option for Filipinos, which is totally free when you apply it via the NADRA website. Pero bakit nga ba ang dami pa ring nahihirapan na mag-apply ng visa? There are so many common mistakes kasi na ginagawa ang mga kapwa nating Filipina when they apply for the visa. Number one mistake is not researching enough on how to apply, and dapat handa ka when you start applying for the visa. Umpisa pa lang, kailangan alam mo na yung mga documents na kailangan mo, alam mo yung mga regulations, yung ano ba yung mga kailangan mong paghandaan prior to applying the visa. Unfortunately, there are so many of you who's not doing the job. Kumbaga, I did a lot of video. I have posted several videos on how to apply for the visa. But still, you ask me with simple questions wherein ano yung mga requirements. If you just go through with the channel, you would see different kind of videos that I posted. I talk about visa application, the requirements, and the tips. So, yung common mistakes is that you don't really read or do your own part. Kasi, kumbaga, binigay ko na yung materials. It's just a matter of understanding. Tapos, kapag meron kayong mga questions na wala doon sa video, that's the time na you can message me or you can comment on the video. Ano ba yung mga dapat paghandaan when it comes to applying the visa? Kasi ayaw naman natin na masayang yung effort mo, yung time mo, yung money mo when it comes to applying. Super madali lang yung process. It's just that the immigration in the Philippines of Pakistan, the Pakistan immigration in the Philippines, they require different kind of requirements when it comes to the applicant. Wherein, kapag nandito ka sa UAE, it's kind of mas konti lang yung, hindi na sa konti, kumbaga parang mas less yung requirements at hindi sila ganun kahigpit compared to sa Philippines ka manggagaling. Well, they have different kind of rules and steps kung paano. But bottom line, yung pag-apply mo is you have to be ready. Tapos yung second mistake na nakikita ko is that yung gusto mo pumunta pero yung wala kang capacity to travel, and even your partner doesn't have any capacity to travel. I don't want to discourage, but you really have to look at your capacity to travel. Meaning, capable ka ba mag-travel? Can you support your travel? If most of you will apply for the tourist visa, obviously, most of you who are asking me actually is, pag tinatanong ko kung may trabaho ba or may financial means to travel, kasi you have to show reasons that you're going back to the Philippines kapag pumunta ka ng Pakistan, kasi ang dami na rin kasing pumupunta doon na hindi na bumabalik. So most likely yung mga immigration natin is, syempre they want to protect you, they want to, alam mo yon, yung nasa tamang process ba? So, yung capacity to travel, you have to look yourself or you have to check upon yourself kung kaya ko ba mag-travel talaga. Kasi they require the bank statements in the Philippines. So, yun yung mga bagay na kailangan mong i-prove sa immigration kung gusto mong ma-approve yung visa application mo. Tapos, siguro yung common mistake is number 3 that I would say is that yung parang, yung, alam mo yung gustong-gusto mo siya, pero yung bagay na dapat ginagawa mo is hindi siya nag-a-align sa gusto mo. Paano ko ba explain to? Siguro, ang masasabi ko is that minsan, yung pinipilit mo yung gusto mo na pumunta, pero yung tadhana or yung universe is stopping you. Ibig sabihin, there's something na kailangan mo din tignan or kailangan mong pag-isipan kung bakit ang daming hassles. Alam mo yan, yung parang nag-a-apply ka pero ang dami pa ring hassle. When I say hassle, paano ba? Yung parang ang daming balakid? Balakid? Yung madami siyang mga reasons kung bakit hindi ka matuloy-tuloy sa pag-a-apply. I know it's frustrating. I know it's discouraging or, nakaka-disappoint naman talaga siya. So, yung mga bagay na yun na kapag hindi mo na kaya, kapag kunwari ginawa mo na lahat tapos hindi pa rin siya talaga nagpo-progress yung visa application mo, maybe the visa bundle that we're offering can help you kasi yung visa bundle na tinutukoy ko would be available soon on our website. That would be super ano lang siya, super cheap lang siya na I ended up making this kasi ang daming nagtatanong sa akin ng requirements, ng tips, paano po ba yung gagawin namin, ganito, ganyan. And then I've realized na I really need to come up with this something na would help in a in an affordable amount na hindi ko kailangang ibenta siya ng super mahal kasi syempre guys, Kadosti, I'm making so much effort creating this product para sa inyo to help you. And I'm always here to answer your questions, pero you really have to do your part. Please help me when it comes to, I just want you to meet your partner. Kumbaga, kung ilang years na kayong in a relationship, tapos hindi pa rin nga nagkikita, siguro yung way is for you to travel to Pakistan. I don't really stop people doing that. I know there are some na magsasabi sa'yo, bakit ikaw ang pupunta? Why not? If you're capable enough, di ba? Don't mind other people kung ano man yung sasabihin nila. As long as you know that the person is worth it, you just have to make sure naman na worth it yung taong yun, di ba? So the bundle itself is something that would help you when it comes to preparing the requirements, the steps. May mga steps na may mga sample documents din doon, like the invitation letter, and the intent letter, the NOC to travel, no objection to travel. So may maraming nakapaloob dun sa bundle na yun that would help you, equip you when you start applying for the visa. Kasi hindi ka basta-basta mag-apply ng visa nang hindi ka prepared. Otherwise, sayang lang talaga yung effort mo. So, kung ako sa inyo, you have to prepare all the documentations, you have to be ready, tapos be honest na lang. Kapag nag-apply ka, you have to make sure na yung mga data mo is nagmamatch siya sa form, tapos dun sa mga supporting documents. Yun lang naman ang importante dun eh. Kailangan match-match siya. Actually ngayon, may ina-apply akong isang Filipina. Actually, kaya ko din naman siya in-assist kasi may capacity siya to travel. Meaning, meron siyang work, meron siyang mga salary certificate, meron siyang leave approval, meron siyang invitation letter, meron siyang NBI na apostilled, yeah. So, kompleto yung documents ni ate. Kung ikaw is nasa situation niya na meron ka mga complete documents pero hindi mo pa rin alam kung paano ba mag-umpisa sa pag-a-apply, Kadosti, ang dami ko ng video na pinost. You can check the video. Pero this bundle that I'm talking about will help you to start. Napakasimple lang ng bundle. Kailangan mo lang sundan talaga yung process at kailangan mo din talaga ipaghandaan yung mga documents that you want. So, kung meron kayong questions about the bundle, please DM me on the Pakil Love Story Facebook or even on TikTok or even on this video. You can comment down below. I would gladly respond and try to help you. As much as possible, be resourceful, be ready, and also yung maging curious ka sa mga bagay-bagay, wag mo lang iasa sa katulad namin ng mga content creator who's giving you the information pero at the end of the day, you still don't do your part. Kasi yung pag-apply ng visa is always a two-way relationship. Andito kami to help you pero you have to do your own part. Kung hindi nyo kaya, there are so many people out there who's also offering some assistance. I even do assistance. Pero ako, pinipili ko lang talaga yung tinutulungan ko kasi ayoko kasing basahin yung pera ng iba. Wherein, for example, hindi naman talaga sila capable to travel. Tapos, masasayang lang talaga. So, I do hope na yung mga diniscuss ko for today's video would help you to find a way to meet your partner. Alam ko, medyo mahirap yung situation na long distance relationship, gusto mo na siya makita, syempre 'di ba, I feel you. I feel you naman. Ayoko naman i-sugarcoat na parang sabihin ko sa inyo na I'm just here to, just push the bundle. But I know there's an emotions attached, and as much as possible, I try to help Filipinas. I'm not encouraging everyone to go to Pakistan because this, I'm trying to help those, especially yung mga couple talaga na sincere with each other. Tapos, yung gusto niyo talaga kaso there are so many mga challenges, pero don't worry Kadosi, you would always reach that level na magkikita kayo, and I really hope and pray na yung bundle makatulong, but do your part please. I really ask your support on this. Do your part, not just rely on the bundle or even from us na nagagawa ng mga contents. So I think I have enough, I have shared enough. I hope to get a message from you soon, and I hope na yung process mo sa pag-apply ng visa would be smooth and easy na lang sa'yo kasi dahil sa bundle. Thank you so much mga kadosi for always being there for me, for supporting this channel by your subscription, by your share, by your comments, by your like. This video helps me to continue making more related to Pakistani and Filipina. I really hope to see you on the next video. And please continue to support our social media. It's Pakpil Love Story all throughout TikTok, YouTube, and then Facebook. And thank you so much kasi magiging 10,000 followers na tayo sa TikTok and sa Facebook din. I hope on this YouTube, sana magkaroon na rin tayo ng increase sa following. I hope to see you soon and God bless. Thank you so much mga kadosi. Bye-bye.